everyone. Thank you for coming in today. My name is Pedro Soto, and I'm assisting with the investigation about CC's law. Okay. We're looking into this real and documentation cooperation is essential to help us to resolve this. We need to collect some handwriting samples from you today for comparison.
Comparison? What for?
It's a standard procedure in cases like this. We need to compare your handwriting to the document in question. If your handwriting doesn't match, it can help us eliminate you as suspect. This is in your best interest.
Oh, I see. So you're saying if I writing something, it can be proved that didn't write what?
Precisely. We want to be thorough and fair to everyone involved. Now I'm going to ask you to write something for me, and I need to reproduce some text using this yellow pad and this fiberglass pen.
Okay.
I will dictate the text to you. Please try to write it as naturally as possible, just as you normally would. Don't try to change your handwriting and make it look different. I need to write exactly what I say. We'll need to do this a few times to get enough samples for a good comparison. I'll ask you to write the name of the text 5 separate times. It is important that each sample is consistent. Excellent. Here's the first page I'd like you to write. I am sorry I had to do this. Please water the plants and care for my dog. Woodlands, I love you. Once you are finished with that, let me know and we'll do the next one. Thank you now. Please write the same phrase again on the new section of the pad. I'm sorry I had to do this. Please water the plants and care for my dog. Woodlands, I love you. Again, I'm sorry I had to do this. Please water the plants and care for my dog. Woodlands, I love you. Again, I'm sorry I had to do this. Please water the plants and care for my dog. Woodlands, I love you. Lastly, I'm sorry I had to do this. Please water the plants and care for my dog. Woodlands, I love you. Thank you for your cooperation. This will be very helpful in our investigation. It will. We'll be in touch if we need anything further.